Welcome to our guide on developing a digital wardrobe management app. Today we'll explore essential resources to help you get started. First, let's dive into some insightful books. Fashionopolis by Dana Thomas and The Conscious Closet by Elizabeth L. Klein offer great perspectives on sustainable fashion. For a deeper understanding, check out Overdressed by Elizabeth L. Klein and The Sustainable Fashion Handbook by Sandy Black. These books highlight the environmental impact of fast fashion. Podcasts are another excellent resource. The Conscious Closet and the Slow Fashion Podcast feature interviews with fashion experts and entrepreneurs. Don't miss the Wardrobe Crisis Podcast by Claire Press and the Business of Fashion Podcast. They cover various topics in sustainable fashion and digital wardrobe management. YouTube videos can also be incredibly helpful. How to Build a Fashion App by freecodecamp.org and How to Create a Fashion App by Skillshare provide step-by-step guides. AI tools like Style.me and Virtuesize offer virtual fitting rooms and personalized outfit recommendations, enhancing your app's user experience. Lastly, consider enrolling in courses like Fashion Tech, Fashion Futures by Coursera or Fashion and Sustainability by London College of Fashion to deepen your knowledge.